G Gang, and welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your boy Jay. Welcome back. Number one, yes, I did just say Double G Gang. Y'all are now called Double G's. God Gamers. Anyways, hints, God Gamers. So yeah, Double G Gang was good. Anyways, number two, today we're playing a new game. As you can see, it's not regular. I'm just kidding, it's regular, but still. Today we're playing Car Parking Multiplayer. Most likely you probably have played it before, but hey, who cares? Who knows? Hey, I'm not trying to be mean, but hey, if you played it, you know, holla at me. Let me put that in the comments. Tell me what you think. Anyways, but yeah, let's roll into the video, shall we? Alright, let's go start. Also, if you enjoy these, random things, hit that button. And also subscribe. Turn on post notifications. When it's another gaming video. You feel me? Yeah. Yeah, alright. Let's do this. Come on, another mode do you want me to do? So, anyways, let's go to City 2. Sure. But City 2 it is. I haven't really played this game in a pretty long time. So, yeah. The last time I probably played this game was when I was like maybe 7, 8. So, and I'm gonna be 12 now. So, hey, that's a big jump, to be honest with you. Yeah. So, hey, let's do this. But yeah, if you enjoy these random games, hit that button, subscribe, turn on notifications. I don't know how to talk. Okay. Anyways, I need hope. Alright. But yeah, this is like a really fundamental game thing. Yeah. But yeah, there's like gears. God dang. My ears is freaking hurting right now. I can't even do. What do you want? How do I do that? I don't know how. Okay, there we go. This is like a really realistic mobile game. Oh yeah. Okay. That is a lot of noise. Okay. I'm sorry, but I need to turn on this thing a little bit. Like, oh my god, my ears hurts right now. My ears hurt. Yow. That freaking hurts. Jeez. Okay, yeah, bro. That's nice. Anyways. Ow. Jeez. Alright. So let's get in some levels real quick. Honestly, let's just do some single player for now. Let's do. No, never mind. I lied. It's gonna go to the home, but like, bro, that costs too much money. Anyways, let's go to City 2 again. Now let's try this again, but with single player. It should be better. I hope. I don't know yet. Actually, I can do it with it. I can do it different. Anyways, so we're in right now. So let's go. Go. That was pretty good. Let's see the 0 to 60. That was in 0 to 60 goes for like almost, I'm gonna say like 3 seconds. I'm not gonna lie. That's a good 3 seconds if you feel me. I mean, a 0 to 60 with that, I mean, sign me up, boy. Sign me freaking up. Get a little horn. I wonder if we could do burnouts. And also, the next time I actually play this game, I'm gonna try doing it on a Xbox controller. So hey, let's see if it works. Cause I don't even know if it's gonna work, to be honest with you. So. So there's also vehicle collisions. So. But yeah, let's go back to the menu. I'll show you everything, and then we're gonna end the video off. Yeah. Then we're gonna end then we're gonna do a part 2 in a little bit. Maybe like in another 2 days. So hey, stay tuned for that, bro. Stay tuned for the video. Okay, stay tuned. But yeah, here's our garage. These are all my cars. I got a Jeep, you know, stuff like that, you know. Yeah. This looks like a rip-off Corvette. I'm not gonna lie. If you see the resemblance, you know what I mean. That is a BMW convertible. So yeah, I got no idea what the heck this is. And this is just a rip-off smart car with bigger wheels. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, comment down below if you feel me. Comment down below. Anyway, but yeah, this is a nice Jeep. You gotta love the Jeep. I mean, it's basic and also it's pretty cool. So anyway. The Jeep is nice. I'll give the Jeep a valid rating. Anyways. But yeah, there's a driver. You can customize the driver and stuff. So, like right now, mine's is all red. So, you gotta get the red people in there. And now I'm gonna end my video. I'm gonna end my channel. I'm gonna end it by thing. When the next time I play this game, you're gonna see my new character. So yay. Anyways, but yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I cannot talk today. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video off here. If you have enjoyed it, hit that bell. Why can I not talk today, bro? End that video off here. End this video off here. If you have enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a goddamn video. Double G, and Double G gang, we out. Peace.